मेरा सवाल सभी सितारों से है जो सियाचिन जाने वाले हैं आपके सामने से, कि किस तरीके से आप तैयार हैं मेंटली एंड फिजिकली इस 15 अगस्त के लिए या इस सियाचिन जाने के लिए।
I think Shlok would be the right person to answer this.
नहीं सर, सभी लोग बोलेंगे तो सबके जहन की बात सामने आएगी। आप शुरू कर सकते।
मेरे लिए मेरा शरीर देखकर मुझे टेंशन हो गया था कि मैं जा पाऊंगा कि नहीं, लेकिन मैंने उनसे बात की और मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि थोड़े भारी शरीर के लोग भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं, तो मैं खुश हूं कि मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा और वापस भी आऊंगा।
सर एक एक करके अगर आप सभी लोग।
नहीं, मैंने ज़िंदगी भर ट्रेनिंग की है, लेकिन अभी ऐसी कभी कुछ चीज़ की नहीं है और देखना चाहता हूँ कि उस ट्रेनिंग का कोई फ़ायदा है या नहीं। और अपने आप अपने बारे में जानने के लिए, और इतनी ऐसी जगह जहाँ आप किसी से भी टिकट नहीं खरीद सकते और कोई भी नहीं जा सकता, या चढ़ पाएंगे और वापस आ पाएंगे, और ज़िंदगी का वहाँ पे क्या एहसास होगा ये कहीं और नहीं मिल सकता। तो जब जुल्फी ने आके बोला था कि आपको जाना है, तो मैंने तुरंत बोल दिया हाँ, बाकी कुछ सोचा ही नहीं। अब देखेंगे उसका क्या होगा।
Reasons of doing this तो अनेक हैं, लेकिन preparation जैसे कि आपका सवाल है, I don't think you can ever be prepared enough to be in Siachen, but we are in very good hands. और I think हमारी preparation यही है कि हम जो दिलशाद मैम है उनकी सारी बातें सुने जो हम लेकर जा रहे हैं, we understand कि वो क्या instructions हैं and we follow them, because if we are already here, if we are chosen physically, including Shlok, we're just joking, we're all physically fit, but वहाँ पर, like it was said earlier, you have to be mentally strong and you have to be able to listen to instructions and follow them. So that's our training. That's how we're getting prepared. We meet, we bond, and because at that place, our families is each other, our friends is each other, and we'll have a lot of time to know about each other and why each and every one of us is doing it. So that's the preparation, to be mentally strong.
अर्जुन, जब आपने ये कॉन्सेप्ट घर वालों को बताया तो क्या रिएक्शन था?
मैंने अब तक नहीं बताया उनको। नहीं, एक्चुअली ये जो सब कह रहे हैं बहुत सही कह रहे हैं, और जैसे कि दिलशाद जो हमारी लीडर हैं, उन्होंने हमसे मिलते ही कहा कि आप एक ओलंपिक लेवल के एथलीट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पर जो भी हीरोगिरी दिखाएगा उसके लिए एक चॉपर आएगा, नॉट टू सेलिब्रेट देम, क्योंकि आप एक स्ट्रेचर पे लेटे होंगे और आपको उठा के लेके जाएंगे। सी विद समथिंग लाइक दिस क्या होता है कि यू आर गोइंग इनटू नेचर। नेचर को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, यू नो, वो एल्टीट्यूड को जितना आप रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, यू नो, उधर एक्लेमेटाइज होना, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना, यू नो, एज इट विल बी फिजिकली, जब आप थक जाते हैं तो इमोशनली और मेंटली जो सहारा आपको मिलता है। आई थिंक दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, और इसीलिए जो हमारे सोल्जर्स वहाँ पर कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को यूनाइटेड रख रहे हैं वहाँ पर। एंड फॉर अस टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी like this to go there, I think thanks to Eros now and Colonel Bull Kumar for making sure that we could get there. Pehli baar, I think civilians are being allowed to go all the way till the glacier, and I think that's a huge opportunity. तो मेरे नाना जी आर्मी में थे, उन्होंने वो सियाचिन चढ़े थे, they had put the first gun there, you know, और so it's for all those heroes in our lives that we want to salute, who have their own little battles, okay, that I think we all are going for. So I think that personal thing is your training, कि आप में जितनी जिगर है अंदर, you know, जितना हौसला है, उससे I think that's what's going to see us through. I don't think any of our training and fitness is really going to help after a point.
Hi. Being the leader for all these celebs, what are the kind of rules you have set for them? And you have Ranvijay, who is quite a prankster. You have Arjun, which is quite a prankster. So what kind of tough roles do you have in mind?
We're in the same team now. And will there be a teetotaler during this duration?
Exactly.
Where did that question Arjun.
Yes, the answer to the second
Arjun,
question is yes.
Will you, you guys be teetotaler
Yes.
during this?
Ask me. Ask me that question.
और गरम चाय भी नहीं मिलने वाली. That's what you told
Garam
us.
chai bhi
That
nahi
is why-
milegi because
that
by
is
the
why I
time it
asked
reaches
you.
that tent, it's going to be ice cold. But to answer your question, there are some very basic, simple rules. Don't try to be a hero. The altitude will get you, even if you're an Olympic athlete. And therefore, the slower you are, the faster you'll reach. The last person in is the one who actually gets the medal in treks like these. Early morning walks, because the sun can get very, very, very hot and very burning. So we would rather not trek in that kind of heat. So the ideal thing would be to leave by 6. So everybody has to wake up by 5. Rule number 1. Be ready to leave by 6. No man can be left behind. And trekking party will wait for no one. So I'll be cracking my whip from 5 o'clock onwards. They're very basic, simple rules. If you feel ill, I need to know. If you don't feel that you're going to be able to walk ahead, I need to know. Because if I don't, then I have no idea what you're feeling. Every headache is not necessarily acute mountain sickness, but every headache needs to be addressed. And it's just really very simple rules.
I've got a couple of questions.
All right, she
for all
wasn't
you
this
guys.
nice to us while she was briefing us. So we'll just tell you that there are lots more details, and it's very, like, life is going to be basic and starting from like 15 kgs se zyada nahi, and a lot of these things were there, but our whole idea is to listen to her. So if we want to come back safe and sound to tell the story.
I've got a couple of questions for all you guys here. All right, so how long is the duration of this trek going to be?
It's altogether 20 days, including the acclimatization period.
And is it only you guys up on stage who are going to be traveling, or do you have more companions?
There are
along?
more people coming on this trek.
So
They are
approximately how
my
many?
regular trekkers who have trekked with us everywhere, all around India.
So
There are
that
about
would
5
be
of them more.
five. Arjun, Ranvijay, are you going to be missing out on Snapchat and Instagram and making Facebook posts up there? I mean, it'll be interesting to see, but then there won't be any signal.
Yeah, I think that's the greatest part of it. I think this time we're going to nature, and nature doesn't want any of that around. Okay, so whatever we can document, we will come back and share with you all. But I think it's going to be beautiful just to cut off from all of that. That's one of the main reasons to go.
And what all are you going to be carrying with you? Because it's a 20-day trek and you'll have to carry your own things. So for 20 days, what all are you going to be carrying? How much weight are you ready to carry?
You
for
can
yourself?
only carry 15 kilos, not more than that.
Okay, so Arjun, Ranvijay, Arunoda, if you could answer that, what all you'll be carrying?
Two trekking pants, three thermals, 1 down jacket, 1 micro down, 1 fleece jacket, 2 dry fit t-shirts.
देखो बेटा
Underwear?
ये जो बोल
You have
रही
to
है
carry
ना उससे
underwear
ज्यादा
also.
कुछ नहीं
And
ले
your
जाना
boots.
Is bathing allowed?
Dilshad, you forgot underwear.
If you want to have a bath in that temperature, go ahead. Make my day.
Yes. And some cologne. Lots of cologne. Lots of deodorant.
Shampoo, conditioner, a saloon.
We're also
you
carrying
don't-
a
you don't
portable
wanna-
sink so that we can wash our hair and, like, just basically just.
Okay, Hassan has
Be
passed
nice.
that question when you said wash your hair.
Arjun, will you be able to dare and bear all the norms that she has explained right now?
I better, otherwise I'm not going to make it. She's going to leave me in the cold out there all by myself.
And Ranvijay, you?
I'm really happy that everybody's getting the right instructions, and the lesser clothes you have, the better it is, because then you don't have to choose out of all your kya pehenna hai aaj,
Amen.
how do you look stylish and all that. It's all out. Basic necessities like inners, and we've been given the exact number, 1 or 2 trekking pants, like just 2 for 20 days, and I'm down with it. I'm really happy that everything is specified and everybody has the same amount of things. It's not like once we are there, suddenly somebody is watching a film on a flat screen and all that. So I'm happy everybody's taking the same amount of stuff and we'll get to bond and talk to each other.
Wait, there's no flat screen?
No flat screens, bro.
Yeah, my question is Dilshad ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, your question is to you. Just wanted to know the preparation, what you made for them, like before going to Siachen. What
Sorry,
was the
I didn't-
preparation? What was the preparation?
We've been working on this trek for over a year and a half. It requires special permits from several different departments of the government as well as the military. And it's because of Colonel Kumar's good offices that we have got clearances from the military intelligence, from the directorate, from the Ministry of Defense, because most of you would know beyond Panamic, civilians are not allowed. And so it's been a good 1.5 years of working on getting this trek organized.
During training session, like, what was it like? How was it like?
Can I answer that for 1 second? I think the training, people seem to have a misnomer about these long trekking expeditions. You have to build stamina. And cardio is one of the main things. But besides that, it's all here. You know, no amount of training is going to get you to walk that 16 kilometers uphill at a 60-degree incline if your mind is not telling you that you can do it. Sorry.
So I think a lot of questions are, directed towards Dilshad. I'll just take 30 seconds to actually introduce her to you for people who don't know her. She's one of the pioneers as far as television industry is concerned. She came to India and set up some of the first television channels that were launched, the cable channels in India. She's headed a lot of companies in different capacities, and then suddenly she decided to quit the corporate life. How lucky, I wish all of us could do that. Very recently, not too long ago, she was on the cover of India Today Women's Magazine, very recently on the cover of Forbes Magazine. If you may permit me, if I can talk about it a little bit.
She's giving you the daggers, bro.
Yeah,
daggers.
Six weeks after a major...
4 kilos for him.
You know,
Can one excess kg of ours go to him? He carries 17.
It's going to.
Yeah.
6 weeks.
It's going to be the porter.
Yeah. 6 weeks after a major surgery, she trekked all the way up to the Everest base. She's now a motivational speaker. She attends, she speaks on different subjects, and she's also an expedition leader.
Also, when she gets fever, she runs it off on the treadmill.
Yeah,
she doesn't take a medicine, she runs it off on the treadmill. That's the introduction.
Yeah, very recently when we've got a group, we talk about it, and Dilshad said that, she keeps on advising us that 2 weeks to go, 10 days to go, 9 days to go, do this X, Y, Z. And then she posted something that she was not feeling too well, and her medicine, we go and pop in medicine, right? That's what we do. Or we rest it out. She got onto the treadmill, she ran for half an hour, 45 minutes, posted that video for us that the best way, if you're feeling unwell or you think you're getting into a flu, just run it out. So she was on the treadmill.
Or just run every day and you won't fall sick.
Okay, Yuvraj Valmiki, for you, considering that I think सारे sports person अभी बहुत कुछ face कर रहे हैं as far as Olympics and are so many opinions about them and not understanding what they have to go through. I want to personally ask you, for the sake of not just media but people who are going to be reading this, आपका message to the Olympians and what's happening there, and being a sports person, कि आप अपनी hockey stick वहाँ लेके जाने वाले हैं? Because somebody asked आप क्या क्या लेके जाओगे, so I'm very keen to know that.
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है ना. जब देश की बात आती है तो we as an Indian and I as a hockey player I represent country. So जब जुल्फी भाई ने जब ये कहा था कि आपको ये करने जाना है, so I think we all of us are going there to thank the Indian Army for what they do for our country. So, and it's not about hockey stick. Hockey stick शायद अगर उल्टी होती तो मैं शायद ले जाता. But yes, with the flag on my chest, I will go there and I will come back stronger. Wow.